Okay. It's called Gallatin G3035. Okay, so that's the model. 120 volts. Okay. Okay, I like the packaging there. It's quite clever. Here's the manual. You know, they give you a temper as well. Okay, well, that's fine. It's respectable. What is this one here? Oh, they give you some kind of cleaning solution as well. Kind of like similar to like Civica. Yeah. Oh. Blind baskets as well. There you go. So that comes with just a spouted portafilter. Okay. Okay. Drip tray. Is solid. Okay. As you can see. So this is my Bianca here. You know, comes to build quality. Okay, $1,200 coffee machine is slightly better than my Bianca drip tray. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, so if you want to do the direct plumbing, you could do that too. They give you plumbing hose. So far, so good. Man, here's a water spout. Okay, obviously it's the level. Here's the pressure gauge right here. Here's the steam one and water. So this is the more like lever. Okay, yeah, you can go up and down, sideways, maybe sideways. I had the wooden trim. Yeah, it's quite nice. Okay. For this one, you can always add the flow control if you wanted to. I think last time I checked, according to Barrett from Espresso Outlet, about $200 upgrades. Okay. So build quality, definitely there. Okay. Love the build, solid. I mean, you guys can hear that, right? Yeah. This is just definitely better build. Oh, I need to check the portafilter. So this is my E61 from Passado. Okay, perfect, good, works. Excellent. Now wait, I just set it up and I flush many times. If you buy a brand new machine, make sure flush out the group pad for at least a couple minutes, okay? And also make sure flush out your boiler as well, all right? Here's the Gallatin, here's the Bianca, okay? See that? So check this out. So steam, they're using the lever instead of the knob. There we go. Okay, pretty strong. Bianca. Seems a little, I don't know about you, but this one actually seems stronger. No. I mean, it's not bad, okay? Pretty strong steam. And again, the Bianca, I feel like, okay, you can change the temperature as well. If I'm going to increase my Bianca, the boiler temperature, you're going to have a stronger too. It's all about the pressure, right? All about the pressure. So comes to steaming power, about the same, I say. And it comes to steam one, moving as well, pretty much the same as well. There's no whole lot of difference there. Comes to hot water, okay. Pretty much the same concept. Okay, let me hear. Okay. And then you're gonna hear, here's a, hear the noise right there, rotary pump? You guys hear that? So feel the boiler. So right now went down to 122. 122 as temperature. So they're gonna go up to 125. Okay. Because you introduce fresh water. Okay, from here, same thing, right? Okay. I'm gonna add it. Oh, you hear that? Okay. So that noise comes to my, so because I have issues with my rotary pump, so make that, loud noise. But all right, let's start with Bianca. Look like turbo shot there. We're gonna go 50 gram. We're gonna go 50 gram at 15 seconds. 50 gram in 15 seconds. All right. Man, it's good. I mean, this coffee is, turbo shots are fantastic. Okay. So okay. I'm gonna stop at about 50 gram as well. 12 seconds? How many seconds was it? Like 13 or 14 seconds? Okay, about 50 gram. I mean, look at this. So much crema. Okay, it's a lot of crema there. Compared to pretty weak crema from the Bianca. Because with the Bianca, I intentionally lowered that temperature for the boiler. Okay, 92 Celsius. Okay. Cheers. Man, that different shot, but there's something about this shot too. Sweet. Wow. Goodness. They're fantastic too. They're fantastic. You know what? I really enjoy these shots so far. Just bring out the strawberry and cream. Fantastic. Yeah. So I think, I mean, you're not gonna be disappointed with for this price range. But again, it's not perfect machine. Okay, it's not perfect machine. Again, you cannot just lift, right?